In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. If you don't like your current font size, don't worry, I will show you exactly how to change it within a few seconds. All you need to do is go into Settings, scroll to click on Display section, and then scroll again to hit Font and Display Size. Now operate this slider under font size to adjust it, and when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!